Well, we've done some left-hand patterns for 12-bar blues. We've worked out some little riffs for what we can do for our right hand when we're playing the 12-bar blues. Today, let's look at playing along to a progression and also a major component. Let's check out syncopation. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Today, let's check out a major element to playing any sort of bluesy music, and that is syncopation, or playing on the offbeats. So if we have a bit of a bouncy rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think that's slow enough. Let's clap on the R's, on the offbeats as we go. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we put that onto the piano, let's play a bit of a flat 7 chord there. So we want our C chord, but step our thumb down and let's do our ins and outs down here. So we can have our 5th to our 6th going in our left hand on a C. Today we'll stick in C because the previous videos that I've looked at have also been based in C. So this will build to grow your skills there. So for our first step, let's feature our offbeat after the first beat. So let's go bounce, C, hold. Keep holding it. Bounce, C, hold. Let's do it 4 times. And one more time. Let's go up to the F pattern. So we have E flat, A and C in our right hand, and we might spread it out, go down to this F and C, out to the 6th, back in again. So bounce, C, hold, 3, 4, back into our C pattern. Bounce, C, hold, so that'll just be the twice on B flat, E and G. Our 5th to our 6th, going down here in our left hand, bounce, C, hold, 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 bounce, C, hold, 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 and then out to the G pattern, bounce, C, hold, back to our F, and bounce, C, hold. Play that blues, and we'll just do a bit of a G7 chord there, a G and a D there. I'll probably go to here, B, D, F and G. So play that blues, and that will turn it all around again. As we do it a second time, let's feature the offbeat now following the second beat. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and just keep holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the F pattern. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C pattern. So moving down again to our C notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. G pattern. 2, 3, 4. F pattern. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then keep your hand there. G, F, D, B, and play that blues. To turn us around again onto the third time through. So now let's feature the offbeat following the third count. So we have our same notes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play that blues. To our G7 to swing it back around again, 4th time through. Let's play our C, G, same notes again, but we're going to sneak in a little after the 4th beat and just keep holding this through as well. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, to the C pattern. 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Then we're going to go to our G and up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, play that blues. And that one would be a quick one. If we want to sneak in the little we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, play that blues. We're going to go straight from those notes and bounce onto our G7 there. For our 5th time through the blues, let's have a go at mathematically improvising. So on the first pattern, let's do 1 and feature that. On the second bar, let's feature 1, 2, 3, 4. Third bar, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 4th. So we'll go to the 4th beat for the 4th. Let's do it together and I'll show you how we can have a bit of fun with actually planning out and mapping what we will improvise. So let's go featuring our offbeat on the 1. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to 3 now. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G will be on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play that blues. Then, of course, we can mix it all up and feature offbeats totally at random. So let's have a play now and see what you come up with as well. Here we go. Well, I hope you have fun with that. Once again, mix some ideas around, come up with your own creations and enjoy playing your blues today. Have a great week. Ta-da.